Today, we're going to build a speeder bike using 12 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with a 1x3 plate piece. And on the front stud of that 1x3 plate piece, we're going to grab a 1x1 plate with ring. And I'm going to put that plate onto the front stud so that the ring is facing forward. And behind that 1x1 plate with the ring, I'm going to get a cheese wedge slope. And I want the cheese wedge slope to have the thin end in the front and have it slope towards the back. And on that last stud of the 1x3 plate, I'm going to grab a 1x1 plate with bar handles on both ends. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it so that that plate goes in the center and the bar handles are hanging off the side of my speeder. Now the next thing I'm going to do is grab a 1x1 bracket piece. Now I'm going to put that 1x1 bracket piece onto that 1x1 plate with the bar handles so that it touches the end of that slope and makes this a little more smooth and then hangs over the back. And on that back stud, I'm going to grab a 1x1 half extended circle tile piece and put it so that the flat end is on the bottom and it curves around on the top. So it's the bottom of my speeder and this is the top. Now on the front 1x1 plate with ring, I'm going to grab a 1x1 tile piece with clip. And I'm going to put it so that that tile piece with clip goes onto that 1x1 plate and the clips are facing the front and back of the speeder. Because the next thing I'm going to do is grab this bucket handle, this minifigure bucket handle, and I'm going to put the bucket handle into the clip to act as the handles or the steering handles to my speeder bike and just push them down like this. And now of course you have those long prongs in the front of my speeder, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab two 1x1 round plates with 1L bar and put those onto both ends of my rings facing forward. And once I've got those onto my rings facing forward, I need to extend them way out because the front of a speeder is really long. So to do that, I'm going to grab two of these extended smooth weapon hilts and put them onto the ends of the bar of those 1x1 round plates with bar. And here is a micro speeder bike. And now this is a LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar design. I've been wanting to design a micro speeder for a long time, had no idea how to do it. And then all of a sudden I see LEGO and I'm like, oh, now I have like 7 different designs in my head.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.